Hello all, welcome to the testprepcard.com. Today we will be enlightening you easiest IB maths topics to score in IBD. As you are aware, there are two types of mathematics in IBD. First, mass analysis and approaches. Second, mass application and interpretation. Both have higher level and standard level. The student has to choose one for the diploma curriculum. In both the maths, there are five topics. The topic number one is number and algebra. Topic two, function. Topic three, geometry and trigonometry. Topic four, statistics and probability. And topic five is calculus. From each topic, I am telling you now the easier topic which you can cover to score the good marks. Number and algebra. Very simple are the arithmetic sequence and geometry sequence and series. For A and I students, financial application of geometric sequence, finding the compound interest, annual depreciation, amortization and using and annuities using the GDC is important. You must do solving the system of linear equation of three variables, polynomial equations. In the higher level for AI or AA, it is a complex number and complex plane to be done. There can be an exponential and logarithmic forms, sensible functions, matrix and solution of the system of equation using matrix. The AI and A students can be getting the mathematical inductions. Now come to the topic 2, functions. The very first is the equation of the straight line that is in the form of y is equals to mx plus c or any other, or in the general form you have to find. Further that is concept of the functions, domain, range of graph, modeling exponential and logarithmic functions. For the HL, transformation of graph is important. Exponential models, natural logarithmic models, sinusoidal model. One model usually being asked in the examination. A and A students should also prepare the rational functions which are very easy. Topic 3, geometry and trigonometry. One must know how to find out the volume and surface area of three-dimensional solids. Application of sine rule and cosine rule, finding the area of the triangles. A and I student should definitely do the Voronoi diagram. For HL student, conversion from radian to degree, unit circle, trigonometric functions, geometric transformations to be done. Vector plays a very important role in the IB diploma. Definitely in the AHL and AIHL, there can be a vector quotient related to the concept of the vector and scalar, or representation of vector using the directed line segment, unit vector, component of vectors, graph theory, tree and cycle algorithm. The AH students must do the base theorem also. Topic 4, statistics and probability. You must know beside the central tendencies, cut dies, etc., interpretation of outliers. You must know how to draw the box and whisker diagram, measure out dispersion and finding the standard deviation. From calculator, you must find out the Pearson product moment correlation coefficient, drawing the scatter diagram, finding the linear regression equation y is equals to ax plus b. The student should also know how to draw the Venn diagrams, tree diagrams, sample space diagrams. This is good. This is equally good for the application and interpretation equation. All the students should do conditional probability. It's a very important topic. Binomial theorem, normal distribution curve, finding the Spearman rank correlation coefficient. For A and I student must do the chi-square test and goodness of fit test, one tail and two tail test. The HL students may do the non-linear regression, coefficient of determination, and positive distribution. Finally, come to the calculus, in which you must know increasing and decreasing function. The HL student should know the limits, convergence. Student should be aware of the first and second order derivative of the functions, finding the tangents and normals equation, how to get the maxima and minima. HL student should do the integration, definite identification, finding the area of the region, and kinematics. Analysis and approaches student should do the definition of derivative from first principle, last rule, Maclaurin's theorem. These are the topics. If you cover, you may score the good marks. But remember, not only this topic, you must know, you have a sound knowledge of the GDC. Without knowing the GDC, it is not possible to score the marks. As you are aware, Mass A and I, SL and ASL, you are allowed to use the calculator for both the papers. But whereas in the HL, only first paper, calculator is not allowed, second and third, it is allowed. The knowledge of calculator is a priority. The second thing is the prior knowledge of all the topic is very important. Those students who pass from the IGSE have a more knowledge of the base or the prior knowledge rather than the other curriculum students. You should understand the command terms and the notations of the question. For example, draw the graph or sketch the graph has a different meaning. So you should try to understand the command term. To evaluate, to find, all has something in their depth. The question in IB are always directly related to the topic in paper 1, but in the paper 2 and 3, there is a combination of 2 or more topics. If the candidate keep the above topic in mind before preparing for IB examination, then he or she can easily secure the good marks. I hope this information will get you good and scoring in the MES IB DP.